Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, bringing you delicious, quick, and easy desserts to make. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make these copycat versions of Crumbl Oreo cookies. So if you're ready to indulge in some homemade goodness, hit the like on your way in. And if you haven't already, subscribe and join the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is cream together butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar for about 5 minutes on medium until it's light and fluffy.
Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you.
Next, we'll be adding our egg and vanilla extract, and we're going to mix until it's incorporated.
In the court, me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. Bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us.
So while we let this mix, we're going to go ahead and start with our dry ingredients. So now we're going to be mixing our dry ingredients. Right here I have some grounded up Oreo cookies, and then I just added some baking powder as well as some salt, and last but not least we're going to add some flour.
My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it.
Now we're going to be adding our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients.
On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time.
And we're just going to mix this until our dough form.
On my time, been off yours, boss. Bitches to the floor. It's my time.
So once your dough is formed, it should look something like this. Now we're going to take an ice cream scooper because it's just going to give you the more accurate size for each cookie. And we're just going to take a scoop of the dough and we're going to place it on our parchment paper, or right here, like I love using this silicone mat. It just makes everything easy and the cookies come right off with no problem. So anyway, I'm going to just be adding these cookies onto the board. And with your hand, you're going to flatten it just so it can become about an inch thick. So we're just going to completely flatten them all until we get about an inch thick of each cookie. And it should look something like this. Now we're going to bake on 350 for about 13 minutes, and then I'll be right back to y'all. In the meantime, let's start on our frosting. So right here, we're going to add our butter. Next, we're going to add our cream cheese. We're going to now add the filling of the Oreo cookies. And we're just going to start beating this until it gets light and fluffy. So once we get to this point, we're going to go ahead and add our vanilla extract as well as our powdered sugar. So this part right here is optional, but I took the liberty to crushing up some extra Oreos and I'm adding it to my frosting, and it's just going to give it that little Oreo bite to it. So now that our cookies are out of the oven and they cool down for about 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add our frosting onto each cookie. And just for garnish, we're going to just take up some broken our Oreo pieces and just top it off. And fam, when I tell you how these came out so good, I hope you guys get a chance to try it out for yourself. And if y'all enjoy me making these type of videos, please hit that like and I will continue to make more. Thank you all so much for tuning in to another video. Oh my god, these came out so good. They were so moist and soft. Y'all see that? If you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, check out these next ones.